Welcome. If you enjoy this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. The technology in blockchain platforms has grown rapidly in recent years, with numerous platforms emerging to cater to various use cases. The blockchain landscape is set to become even more diverse and exciting in 2023, with new platforms offering novel solutions to long-standing problems. In this video, we have explained the top 10 blockchain platforms that you need to consider in the year 2023. What is a blockchain platform? Using blockchain technology, a blockchain platform is a type of digital infrastructure that enables organizations and developers to create, deploy, and manage decentralized apps, or dApps. A blockchain platform's fundamental component is a network of computers or nodes, each of which verifies and validates newly added blocks to the chain to maintain a distributed record of transactions. Number 1. BSV Blockchain. The BSV Blockchain is an enterprise utility blockchain that is geared towards servicing the data processing and storage needs of global businesses and governments, with the goal of being the plumbing that powers digital systems and applications. The BSV blockchain has established itself as a solid foundation on which hundreds of platforms for different industries are built. Because it has restored and locked the original Bitcoin protocol, the BSV blockchain is able to scale on demand, provide a stable base layer, and allow for safe and instant transactions. It takes pride in being secure, environment-friendly, and regulatory compliant. It also allows for the processing of micropayments, or very small transactions that fall far below the one-time payment limit of credit card transactions. Number 2. Consensus Quorum. Financial services company JP Morgan created Quorum, a modified version of Ethereum. It makes use of the Ethereum blockchain platform's basic work and repackages it into a secure environment that institutions may use. It has been developed to facilitate swift transactions across a private network between organizations like banks and insurance firms. Consensus Quorum is an enterprise-grade Ethereum platform from the leading Ethereum software company. Both Consensus Quorum clients implement the EEA spec. Consensus Quorum allows developers and consortia to quickly spin up enterprise-ready blockchain networks and dApps by providing robust documentation, templated examples and tools, and integrations with popular development stacks. The permissioning and privacy capabilities of enterprise quorum networks allow consortia to define custom rules for what can and cannot transact on-chain, who can and cannot see these transactions, and whether or not transaction fees are required, and more. These networks run Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM. Smart contracts can share or transact unique physical or digital assets and tokens across a number of the world's leading blockchain platforms and networks that make use of the EVM. For some use cases, privacy and permissioning are essential. GoQuorum and Hyperledger BSV leverage the private transaction manager Tezos to enable networks to transact with some or all parties confidentially, with receipt transactions that sit on the business network's shared ledger to ensure the longevity and validity of any private transactions. Network members run nodes that have synchronized ledgers and universal ordering of transactions, allowing for process synchronization across business, regulatory, and geographical boundaries. Our goal is to provide options for private or permissioned networks, or to enable enterprises to take advantage of Ethereum mainnet with additional flexibility for their network. Number 3. Hyperledger Fabric. Hyperledger Fabric is a set of tools that aid in the development of blockchain applications. It is endorsed by the Linux Foundation and was created from the bottom up with corporate distributed ledger applications in mind. It has an extensive ecosystem of components that can be integrated into a modular architecture. It performs well in closed blockchain deployments, improving security and speed. Moreover, it offers an open smart contract model, which is capable of including several different data models, such as the account and unspent transaction output, or UTXO models. Hyperledger Fabric, an open source project from the Linux Foundation, is the modular blockchain framework and de facto standard for enterprise blockchain platforms. Intended as a foundation for developing enterprise-grade applications and industry solutions, the open, modular architecture uses plug-and-play components to accommodate a wide range of use cases. With more than 120,000 contributing organizations and more than 15,000 engineer contributors working together, Hyperledger Fabric offers a unique approach to consensus that enables performance at scale while also preserving the data privacy enterprises demand. Hyperledger Fabric is an open, proven, enterprise-grade distributed ledger platform. It has advanced privacy controls, so only the data you want shared gets shared among the permissioned or known network participants. Smart contracts document the business processes you want to automate with self-executing terms between the parties written into lines of code. The code and the agreements contained therein exist across the distributed decentralized blockchain network. Transactions are trackable and irreversible, creating trust between organizations. This enables businesses to make more informed decisions quicker, saving time, reducing costs, and reducing risks. Number 4, IBM Blockchain. According to Manders, IBM Blockchain is a private decentralized blockchain network that has been most successful with less risk-averse enterprise clients. He believes it offers more chances than other decentralized networks to link to enterprise clouds and legacy systems. Number 5, R3 Corda. There is some debate over whether R3 Corda is a blockchain or another type of distributed ledger. It employs a novel consensus mechanism in which transactions are cryptographically linked, but does not batch multiple transactions into a block regularly. According to the official Corda website, it is both a blockchain and not a blockchain. One of the primary advantages of this method is that all transactions processed in real-time blockchains can perform better than other kinds of blockchains in terms of speed. Number 6, Tezos. Tezos is an older platform that supports decentralized applications, smart contracts, and novel financial instruments such as NFTs, which can be thought of as a modern variation on trading cards that are linked to digital assets. It has been in development since 2014. To adapt to new purposes, the platform has a dynamically upgradable protocol and modular software clients. Number 7, Hyperledger Sawtooth. Hyperledger Sawtooth, another open source blockchain initiative hosted by Hyperledger and the Linux Foundation, employs a novel consensus mechanism known as proof of elapsed time, which can integrate with hardware-based security technologies to enable trusted execution environments of program code to run in secure enclaves, which are protected areas of computer memory. Number 8, Stellar. Stellar is a more recent blockchain technology that has been designed for various DeFi applications. It makes use of the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which is said to be able to reduce the time needed for transactions to be processed and approved on a public blockchain network. It also has security features for blocking undesirable or dubious participants in a financial transaction. Many businesses have embraced it for cross-border money exchange and worldwide trade. Number 9, Clayton. A blockchain platform called Clayton was created by GroundX, a blockchain partner of South Korean internet giant 𝐥𝐤, one of the most well-known blockchain platforms. Clayton provides a variety of tools and features for creating decentralized apps that are quick, safe, and scalable. It is well suited for a variety of use cases and applications in different industries, including healthcare, banking, supply chain management, and more. Number 10, 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐤. In 2018, the 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐤 blockchain platform made its debut as an open source project. It is best suited for creating smart contracts and decentralized apps. Its proponents claim that it uses sophisticated POS-based consensus mechanism that performs better than more traditional systems like Ethereum. Also included is support for a governance element that enables voting on platform updates. And with that, we've reached the end of this video, all about the top 10 blockchain platforms, examining the most prominent blockchain networks. If you enjoyed it and you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. And thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.